with 23.36. That's a quick time as well, the second fastest time in fact behind Douglas, and could make it quite interesting for the medals here.
Well, the record they're chasing has been established since 2013 when Miller Yubo was just Miller. And
Wagon, my track and field lovers, welcome to yet another interesting race. And today we are launching, like we are having the house named new sprinter in Jamaica, and this girl is showing people what dominance means. She is performing best in 100 meters and 200 meters. Watch till the end. All credits goes to the original broadcasters, and I'll come back with my twos. Let me know your honest opinion about this new Jamaican sprinter, Shanoya Douglas. She is performing in under 20 and she's good at 100 and 200 meters. Watch till the end.
The national under 20 record, March 28.
it's a good opportunity here to challenge the Rifter record here. If there's anything to go by, the wind, it's almost like a standstill. We look at the flags and not much movement, and that's good for running. Certainly good for sprinting.
So Anaya Nurse not there, she's absent. It's unfortunate. Off they go, first time of asking. All eyes on Shanoya Douglas. She gets up well, already covering her teammate Natrice East as she turns into the home stretch. It's Shanoya Douglas of Jamaica running away with this one. The battle will be on for the minor placing. It is Shanoya Douglas of Jamaica. Natrice East in second. On the inside, Brian Barnett of Haiti is there as well. But Shanoya Douglas, oh my word! What if that is right? Let's wait and see the official time and the wind speed, because if that remains 22.11, the record is shattered. Let's get the wind speed to confirm. Natrice East of Jamaica behind her, and Brian Barnett. 22.11, it is confirmed. Positive 1.9 meters per second. That is a massive new Carifta record. It's a new national under 20 record for Jamaica as well. And Natrice East 23.39 makes it another Quinella for the Jamaicans. 23.49 for Brian Barnett, who was sixth in the final last year. What a run. I think that's what the people came to see today. And Shanoya Douglas delivered, Bernard.
Final of the under 20 girls 100 meters. Dowdy, Frederick, Dockery, Douglas, Hinkson, Dorset, Frederick and Doreska. Pump of the fist from these two Jamaican rivals. They know that in this one they are one. Another issue at the start.
Well, I think it was more about the cheering. What had happened was one of the athletes, I believe a St. Lucian athlete, went over on the pole vault, and it was a spectacular jump, and the crowd erupted, and that's what has caused a slight delay, just to allow the athletes to concentrate here.
The card, green. All safe. And we go again. Who is the fastest girl in the Carifta region? We are about to find out. Dockery holds the title. Can she defend? Oh, I think Dockery has gone too early there. It's all happening. The favorite, the defending champion, looks distraught. And the decision hasn't even been made yet.
I think she knows.
She false started over 200 meters in the Bahamas. was 2 years ago. The defending champion is out. The drama continues.
What a turn of events this is. Anticipating the gun and just trying to go that little bit to go on the B of the bang rather than the G. And she's fallen afoul of the law here. She is crushed.
Just never seems settled. The favorite is gone.
That is absolutely massive for this race. How will that change the psychology of all of the others in this one?
When Sanaya Frederick won the 200 meters 2 years ago, Dockery was among the pole starters. Clean break this time. Sanaya Frederick got away well. So did Sanaya Frederick. Shania Douglas is pouring through the field of Jamaica. Shania Douglas, Tony on the inside, snatches silver. And Dorset, I think, got bronze. It is still Jamaica's gold. Dockery false starts, but Douglas gets the job done. And the world under 2200 bronze medalist says she's the best in the Caribbean region at 100 meters.
She is lapping it up. She's accepting the applause. Yes, she wants some more volume, and she's gonna get it. Celebration here for Douglas, gold medalist for Jamaica.
And for some reason, this is starting to feel like a battle. Slow out of the blocks as usual, Shania Douglas. Giolina Dowdy in lane number 1 got a brilliant start for Antigua and Barbuda. The bronze medalist from last year holding strong through 70-80. But the power and the strength of Shania Douglas pouring through to win. And it's not the Jamaican that many expected, but it is a Jamaican atop the podium in the under 20 girls 100 meters.
I think the celebration may have had a lot to do with a lot of the attention has gone to Dockery coming into this race, and really maybe some would have seen Douglas as getting on the podium, but not necessarily the gold, and she has gone and gotten the gold medal in front of this man, Keyshawn Walcott, the former Olympic, the gold medalist out of for the javelin, a former champion from 2012 for Trinidad and Tobago.
What a field for the 200 final. Sanaya Frederick won the title in the Bahamas in 2023. Soleil Frederick, there she is, took silver last year in Grenada. The top 4 from last year are all back. Shania Douglas, the defending champion. Soleil, the silver medalist from last year. Dockery, there she is, the bronze medalist from last year. And Sanaya Frederick, who finished 4th in that Grenada final. All in this field. Jemiah Nabi of the Bahamas, the sprint double champion in the under 17 category in the Bahamas, is there as well. So too is that lady, Shatalia Dorset, who won bronze in the 100 meters. Can she produce another run to get a surprise medal here at 200? Brianne Barnett of Haiti, Soraya Doresca, her teammate, got to the 100 final, and now she represents the French nation in the 200 meters. Sophia Swindle of the US Virgin Islands was in the 100 hurdles final earlier today, and she also takes a place at 200. There's Sanaya Frederick in lane number 3. Can't tell them apart because Soleil Frederick has her hair let down.
Their father, Peter Frederick, 200-meter national champion on this very track, June 1998.
He was part of their coaching setup in high school. Sure, he's still giving them advice even though they're in university. Under 20 girls 200 final. Not seeing lane 2. That's Nabi of the Bahamas. On the 20 girls 200 final. Sanaya Frederick got away brilliantly. She's covered Barnett. Sabrina Dockery's running a fast curve. So too is Shania Douglas. The 100 champion leads. Dockery, her teammate, chasing her, and the Frederick twins. Dorset is running brilliantly. Douglas beats them magnificently. And there's a line behind her for second and bronze. For silver and bronze. Dorset has produced another stellar effort for the Bahamians, and she might have snatched a medal. It is so close. It is so close for silver and bronze. But the world under 20 champion, the third fastest Jamaican junior in history, dismisses a quality field and wins the Carifta under 20 title. We still don't know the time. Now we do. 23:02. She is the sprint double champion.
Well, congratulations to Shania Douglas taking the double here and offering her congratulations to those around. And the Jamaica flag is unfurled proudly here at the Hazel Crawford Stadium.
It was never a contest. It was never a contest. The world under 20 bronze medalist. There is Soleil Frederick, the silver medalist last year. It was pretty clear then. There's nothing clear about it this time around. Is she leaving the Carifta Games with another individual medal? Dockery was close as well, but I think she was shut out of it. The Frederick twins there. Dorset was there. And I also think Brianne Barnett might have been there for Haiti. My goodness me, it was so close. They're all waiting. The stadium announcer has called it. Well, here's another look at it. This will help us to decide while we wait on the confirmation. Shania Douglas leading off the curve, and once that happens, you know the rest of the field is in trouble. She powers down the home stretch. The Frederick twins, Dockery, Dorset, all there. Yeah, Barnett of Haiti was nowhere close. Dorset given second, and one of the Frederick twins, I think it might have been Soleil, or was it Sanaya? Let's watch closely who was given third. Oh, this is tight. Douglas, oh wow, that doesn't help.
It's Soleil. It's lane number 6 from what I've seen. Yeah, it is Soleil Frederick. In lane number 6, she's been given the bronze medal.
Well, we'll get confirmation now in that brilliant under 20 girls 200 final. Shania Douglas of Jamaica, world under 20 bronze medalist last year, part of Jamaica's 4x100 relay winning team in Peru, successfully defending her Carifta title and completing the sprint double. The 19-year-old Frederick twins say goodbye to the Carifta Games. It's been a delight to watch them as well over the last 3 editions. Sanaya was by some way the better of the two in the Bahamas. Soleil came last year and made a name for herself with a silver medal run, and she's back this year to secure the bronze medal. Here we go. 23:02 for Douglas, she's the champion. 23:43 for Soleil Frederick. 23:45. No, that's not correct, is it? Wow.
So Wagwan Jamaica. So hello everyone. I hope that you are all doing well. So kindly guys, if it's for the first time that you are coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, I want to appreciate you for the love and support that you are showing. So I hope that you have watched the entire race till the end. It was a very competitive and very beautiful race. So Jamaican has stood up yet again and showcased the world that in this track and field, you know, they are the beast in this track and field. They will continue conquering. So you have seen that Jamaican has that winning spirit. Even you could see from before the race has started, the Jamaican just looked relaxed. They just looked like they were ready. When your opponent just look relaxed, just know that he or she is ready. So Jamaican has really pulled out a good performance, and they have really made Jamaican famous. And not only Jamaican, us, here guys in Kenya, Jamaican has a big fan base. They have also made us happy, and I want to congratulate them. That race showcased that Jamaican, some people are saying like Jamaican has luck, but Jamaican has a good history of winning and dominating the track and field. We all know this guy, Usain Bolt. Although people are saying that he retired a bit early, Usain Bolt really did a lot of things. He really broke a lot of record. He really set new record, and he had a good pace. So Jamaican has a good history. Even you could share during that race, the commentator was like mentioning Jamaican most of the time, because Jamaican is a big brand, and when you are big, guys, all eyes are on you. On that race, Jamaican is a famous country, and when you have a race and there is Jamaican name on the list, many eyes, all eyes, are there watching, because they want to see, Jamaica, this Jamaican. Many people talk about it, this Jamaican as an history. People want to see for themselves. People want to see how Jamaican carry themselves. People want to see what does Jamaican do to win these races, because Jamaican for sure are the best in this track and field. And that's why I've come across a certain video, and I saw athletics nowadays, they try to hire coaches from Jamaican, because they have seen that defeating Jamaican is not easy. Some even go to an extent of traveling all the way from their European nation, all the way from their countries to Jamaica to train with the best, because they have seen defeating Jamaican is not easy. And that's I think Jamaican have really showcased the world that they are the best. They have some upcoming youths. There is this young youth called Brian Level, and he is dominating back there in under 17, and that showcased that Jamaican is in safe hands. Jamaican will continue dominating more and more. We'll be hearing Jamaican name a lot of times, because we feel very happy seeing that Jamaican will be dominating in this track and field. When you have those young youths, dominate. And I think Jamaican, many people are like, they want to dig deep to see what Jamaican uses, but you see, Jamaican winning spirit is it is in their genetics. It's like in their blood, because most of the Jamaicans, they keep watching, they keep learning from the best. When they see like Usain Bolt, how he works, when they see these big names like Sharika Jackson, Tia Clinton, Elaine Thompson, they want to be like them. So they train very good. They have they get some good experiences. So I want to congratulate those athletics, because they have really made Jamaican famous. And not only Jamaican, they have made us, the fan base outside the Caribbean, very, very happy. So guys, you can leave a comment. You can comment something to congratulate them, or even a word of prayer, so that God can protect them, because we want to see Jamaican winning a lot of gold. We want to see Jamaican winning more gold. So guys, if it's for the first time that you are coming across my video and you like this seeing about Jamaican, seeing these sprinters, see how Jamaicans carry themselves. Jamaican is a big brand, and many people are following about Jamaica. You can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification, so that we can continue with this Jamaican chapter. So guys, before I forget, I want to appreciate you for the 1,000 subscribers, and I hope that you really enjoyed the video. So guys, stay safe, one love.